Nayo mwanchi umulirya ni otukwira na wika ase county ya Kisii asingo kumenya bunanigo aborokia chiminye 50 noyomo na 5 noyomo kurwa se skuru ya sekondari ya baiseke ya Manga nigo baba kwenyorera ebinte birachiko bakonya engaki bali asa matukabo anigo abakawikiraniwa engaki ekyombe kya waria Queen Rise kurwa sensemeri ya America bakobwaterana ekyombe gya Ruby Cups ase okwenike buna abana banyaruka ngogenda bale kwenyorera chisemi cyabo ebinte ebyo nigo bikoira emyaka 10 elinde kogota ase boigo abarabe bagusira abana bo abanyaruka na boigo gokonya abana bali bakurokurwa se chinka kirikibwate okonyora wensekigima muri kito miledi mumanyi nabakawikirana sensemeyo na boigo gotwariganiria oroboti ruwasinchira yobikirano
kubwatukana n'imichando abana banyaruka bagwetera engaki barasa matukabo iyo mukinyi bono nigo ekyombe kya Warrior Queen's Rise kurwa ense ya America yabwaterana ekyombe kya Ruby Cups ase ogokonya abana abanyaruka ase chiskuru gekorengani wa nigo ebintebyo bikoira egekegetambe kogotana nigo bigosibeka buna bakwerera engaki bekirana ase skuru yabo iseke ya Manga.
Today we're really honored to partner with Ruby Cups because we believe in the power of these medical silicone grade cups because the girls told us that they felt the need, no dignity, no peace of mind, depression, suicide, because they can't afford the pads. They don't want to go to school. They also told us things like they felt like they needed to have someone violate their body or sell their body just to afford sanitary napkins. And so our team fundraised over $3,000 to purchase the cups, and that is why we're here today.
And we came back 12 months from now to really be a part of the solution and really help women and children step into their power.
Ase engakie gosekere keiga ekiombe keiga gichukwana na Ruby Cups chimi inye na oistina sita chiskuru ibere kereri na Manga girls aiga storero
nigo baenekirie kwena na gucia ase aborokiwa chiribu 50 ase barache kogendera kwena na boigo ase batebire obuya bwae gwetera ase bali abakwena na ebintebyo guchase abana banyaruka aiga Kenya.
We have distributed more than 50,000 Ruby Cups all over the country. We are very happy again to have partners who are able to support our cause to give more girls free menstrual cups. Very, very unique because it is one product that lasts for up to 10 years, okay? And as compared to others, Ruby Cup is user-friendly. Ruby Cup lasts for, apart from lasting for 10 years, it is environmental friendly, it needs very little water, and it is self-administering. So once the girls are trained on how to use it, then they go with it for 10 years. If a girl is given in 7th grade, they go through undergraduate with it. And we believe that at that time, they should be able to, to pick their own tool. What we are doing is we are informing the girl that there are more menstrual tools inside the menses basket. We are not in the market for sale. We are here to give the girls freely, and that is the partnership, the unique partnership that we have with Ruby Cup.
Umwalimu kurwa ase skuru ya Manga nigo atebire emechanda baiseka bange bagwetera ase akirembya guchiase abasamaria abo.
I want to thank our special queens for donating these cups that are going to help our girls. The girls undergo various challenges on menstrual cycle and menstrual health, so we want to thank them for donating. Number 2, we also want to make them aware that the girls are going to benefit, with the purchase of the sanitary towels. It can be difficult because some of them come from needy backgrounds, and it can be a challenge even to finance those pads that they use.
Egati abanyaruka bwo banyora obokonyo bwo nigo bakambya ekyagera nigo barachego konyekana boigo gekorenganiwa nonye buna nigo ebintebyo bigokonya kulinda ebintu bitwetanaine.
Wametuletea pia zawadi apart from kutumia sanitary towels zenye huwa tuna dispose kila mahali na chafua environment, tumeletewa zenye hazichafui environment na unakuwa comfortable kuzitumia than hizi zingine.
Kuripoteria igitaseni kia Ndizi TV, Elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.